Right, let's have a look at what's going on in here, shall we? Because we've got some interesting things to do today. Let's start with finding from last week. Sorry, from before, from the last fledgling. There he is. That's Costello. There, you can see the. Hang on, he's now fighting with his father, I think, for some reason. Don't know why, but you can see that the black cheeks have remained. His beak is now turned red, more or less. He's the one on the right, in case you're wondering, with the black cheeks rather than the orange cheeks. So I'm still waiting. He's not quite finished changing colour yet, so there's still a little possibility that he will turn out normal. But I think the black cheeks are here to stay. Now we have two other birds which have come from Flow. Okay, and one of them looks very similar. Where is he? There he is. He's hiding around the corner. In fact, the only difference with him is that he doesn't have the black cheeks, you see? Not even in his young plumage. He's got the tear tracks, but no black cheeks. So I'm expecting those to turn red shortly. Okay. And this little guy is in need of a name, and I was wondering what I was going to call it, really. As you know, I tend to name my birds either after fighters, which I quite admire, or recent times I've actually been naming them after friends as well. And yeah, so I'm going to have to think about what I call him. I'm going to come back to that, I think. Where is the other one? Let's have a look. See if we can find her. She's a little white one. She might be down here, actually. There she is. Oops, where's she gone now? She's right in the middle there. Easy to tell because of the black beak. She will need to be ringed when her beak starts to change colour. Oops, where's she gone? I've lost her. There she is. She's on the floor down there. Because she is going to start to look very similar to Binky and some of the others. I am calling her Bathsheba, actually, and I'll tell you why. My nan, whose namesake has died out of this the whole house of birds during the cull, said that she would like to sort of elect a new name. And of course, being family, she does come first. It is her 90th year as well, and she said she wanted a bird called Bathsheba. So there we are. That is Bathsheba down there. I don't know whether she'll get any interest in colouring or not, really. I think she's just going to be a white, a bit like Binky. I think she's just going to be plain white. So I don't know what's going to happen in terms of who I'm going to send to market or anything like that. So I am looking for... Where is he? He's going to be around somewhere. I think he's down there, actually. Yes, not him. That's Costello. The pair of them seem to be hanging around together. He's hidden now behind that tree down there. As if he knew that I was after him. Anyway, he's hidden. I'm going to call him Deblass, actually. I have decided. So the next most recent MMA fighter to have a namesake in this aviary. There are three other birds that are not too far away from fledging, maybe 2 weeks, something like that. They are in the nest of Beryl, which you can't see at all. They are, that will then conclude all three houses at that point will have produced something viable if any of these three in there sort of survive. I've just topped up the water, you see, it's quite hot. So I topped it up this morning, but they've used it all up. So I thought I'll do it again, because in this hot weather they don't half like the baths and the showers, and they just generally like to get water everywhere, don't they? There we are. Bob there. Denise in the bath. Oh, and the other thing is that I have let out back into general population Moosin wherever he's gone, because he's down there, the orange one there. He was plucking, and I caught him plucking the poor diamond doves. So I put him in isolation, which he didn't like, until the doves grew their feathers back, and that was 2 weeks. And if he does it again, guess what's going to happen to him again? So there we are. I have none of that in this aviary.